Discover products. Let us see how can we reach discover products in Petpooja inventory. For that, first you need to click on Suppliers Hub, and inside Suppliers Hub there is the feature of search products. Here there are two options to begin your journey. The first one being discover prices and the second one being discover suppliers. Let's start with the prices module. First you can click on add products to compare, and categories of products will be displayed here. You can go to your selected category and then select whatever SKU you'd like to see. Here inside mushroom category, I'd like to select button mushrooms and go for the 200 gram packets. When I click on discover prices, such list would populate here where I can see the different sellers of the same product and their rates. Beneath that, there is my past history of the products that I've already searched. These lists help you to know who's the cheapest vendor for the same product, and then you can contact the vendor accordingly. Let's say I'd like to buy it from the lowest bidder, which is selling me tomatoes for 33 rupees. I can simply click on contact details and access the contact details by clicking here. You can select your contact details and press on submit. They will contact you with the same number, or you can directly reach out to them with their email IDs and contact numbers mentioned here. Other than that, there's another box of supply details where you can go and check out the entire page of supplier's profile. What is the company name, what is their legal identity numbers, what are the product list, and the gallery. If you'd like to check out local suppliers, you can simply click on this button and see all the local suppliers around you. If the list is exhausting and there is not enough space on the page, you can also click on view all suppliers where it will display a complete list of all the suppliers for that particular product. To sort the prices, you can click here. If you'd like to search for any product, you can simply type in the name and begin your journey. In the other section of discover suppliers, you can go here and search for the particular product that you'd like to find. If you don't have any idea, you can also search. Simply click on the category you'd like to search in and select your product. In case if there is no supplier listed for the particular product in our vicinity, you can click here to request the supplier. Our team will get a notification about the same, and we can start searching for vendors providing the specific SKU that you requested. If you want to learn how to use Suppliers Hub in depth, you can click here and request for demo. The trainer will get your contact details and they'll contact you soon for the training. On the right hand side, there's a dashboard for all of the features present on the left hand side. This will give you a quick view of your past activities on Suppliers Hub. So this was about search products in Petpooja inventory.